if you learn well and learn the concepts really well, right from foundation level and going all the way up to 10th grade. We believe that they will have most of what it takes to take on a competitive exam. The gap would be the practice. Typically all these coaching centers who prepare students for such competitive exams put them through a real rigor of practice kind of a thing. We do not go there. We are looking at making sure have they learned their concepts really well. If they have, they will understand how to solve difficult problems, how to solve applications, etc. If they do not, then it becomes a rigmarole. So, I think our students are much better prepared when it comes to real life, real world problem solving. Absolutely. While the grades 11 and 12, students who graduate from 12th grade have mostly looked at sciences, going to ISER, going to Indian Institute of Science, going to Indian Institute of Space Sciences, going to New York Academy of Sciences, where we have a special relationship with them, and many of them have gotten scholarships. Many of them have become entrepreneurs, inventors, have patents and all that. There are some of them who opt to get coached and make an attempt for IIT JEE or a NEET or a CET, which is done at experiential, which you run, Shankar, by the way. So, we are trying to take care of that template of engineering, IIT, medical through this Excel Learn, while generally in the 12th grade, they are more encouraged to pursue pure sciences.